This is Rashed and I'm from Ace Language. In this video, I'm going to teach you one simple but extremely powerful technique that can help you become more fluent in English for PTE speaking by spending just 10 minutes a day. And the best part is, you don't need a speaking partner. You can practice this completely by yourself. This technique has helped many of my students improve their fluency and confidence. And if you practice it properly, it can directly improve your PT speaking score. So, what is this technique? It's called jam. No, not the kind of jam you eat for your breakfast. Jam stands for just a minute. It's a fluency exercise based on a speaking game, and it works because it trains you to keep speaking without stopping, which is exactly what PTE wants. Are you thinking why jam is perfect for PTE? Let me explain something clearly and simply. In PTE speaking, you don't lose marks because your English is simple. You lose marks when you hesitate, you pause too long, your speech breaks. PT measures continuous speech. JAM trains your brain and your mouth to keep pronouncing sounds under pressure. That's why this technique is so effective. The JAM technique has three stages. Let's go through them one by one. Stage 1, speak without preparation. In stage 1, you do not do any preparation. You simply pick a topic, set a timer for 1 minute, and start speaking immediately. You can choose general topics like hobbies, food, transport, daily routine, or questions like, what is your favorite mode of transport? Why do you want to study in Australia? So, there are three rules. Rule number one, you cannot stop speaking. You must speak for the full 1 minute. If you need to breathe, that's fine. But you cannot pause for more than 3 seconds. Even if you say something silly, even if it's not perfect, you just keep going. This is fluency training, not grammar practice. Rule number two, you cannot repeat the same ideas again and again. You must try to move forward, even if your ideas are simple. And rule number three, no writing, no notes, no keywords, nothing on paper. Your only job is to speak continuously. Now, let me demonstrate jam properly. You can clearly see the difference between untrained fluency and trained fluency from my demonstrations. I'm going to choose a topic. Let's say my topic is, why do you want to study in Australia? You start speaking immediately. You struggle, you hesitate, you search for ideas, but that's normal. Okay, so why do I want to study in Australia? I think Australia is a very good country for education. There are many universities, and education system is very high quality. Actually, Australia is also multicultural, so students from different countries come here, and that makes it, more comfortable for international students. Uh, uh, I'm kind of struggling of ideas now, but that's okay. I have to keep speaking. So, another reason is that Australia has good lifestyle and students can work part-time while studying, which is helpful. Also, I think the weather is nice, and cities like Sydney and Melbourne are very popular. And yes, also studying in Australia gives good future opportunities, and that's why I want to study in Australia. Oh, wow, that was difficult. Obviously, not the topic itself, but when I have to, talk straight away, that's the problem. And I struggled, but that's the point of stage one, our struggle. Now, if jam feels hard, that means it's working. While I spoke, I think you could clearly hear my hesitation, my feelers like and some weak structure. It wasn't very structured, but I did not stop. That is already training my fluency. Now we move to stage two. Stage two is where we train our structured fluency. Now we move to stage two and take a pen and paper. I think back what I said and I write simple ideas. Not full sentences, remember? Just simple ideas. For example, quality education, multicultural environment, part time work, lifestyle, and future opportunities. And now I'm going to start speaking again. Same topic, same 1 minute, but now with the structure and my pen and paper. So, why do I want to study in Australia? There are several reasons. First of all, Australia is known for its high quality education system. Australian universities focus on practical learning, which helps students develop real world skills. Secondly, Australia is a multicultural country. Students from all over the world come here, which creates a welcoming and inclusive environment for international students. Another important reason is the opportunity to work part time while studying. This allows students to support themselves financially and gain local work experience. Finally, Australia offers a great lifestyle and strong future career opportunities. Overall, studying in Australia helps students grow academically, professionally, and personally. Did you notice the difference? Same person, same topic, same 1 minute, but fewer pauses, clear structure, and better flow, and more confidence when I delivered that second passage. This is what JAM does. It trains your fluency. In PTE speaking, the system rewards continuous structured speech. If you practice JAM regularly, your mouth learns to keep moving, your brain learns to organize ideas quickly, and your fluency score improves naturally. This is not magic, this is simply training. Now, let us move to stage 3. This is the advanced level fluency training. In this one, we will try to be more and more organized. So after stage 2, we again stop and take pen and paper. This time, I add more depth to my ideas. For example, global recognition of Australian qualifications, safe environment and student support services, post-study work opportunities and career pathways. Now, I'm ready for the final round. Remember, same topic, same 1 minute, and this time around, notes allowed. This is how fluency starts to feel natural and controlled, even under exam pressure. So, why do I want to study in Australia? There are several strong reasons for this decision. Firstly, Australia is internationally recognized for its high quality education system, and Australian qualifications are respected around the world. Universities here focus on practical learning, which prepares students for real professional environments. Secondly, Australia is a safe and multicultural country with excellent support services for international students. This makes it easier to adapt to a new academic and social environment. Another important reason is the opportunity to work part time during studies, which helps students gain local experience and develop essential workplace skills. Finally, Australia offers strong post study career opportunities and clear pathways for professional growth. Overall, studying in Australia provides a balanced combination of education quality, lifestyle, and long term career benefits. Notice the difference now? Stage 1 was difficult and unstructured. Stage 2 was organized and smoother. Stage 3 sounds more confident, more natural, and obviously exam ready. This is the progression PTE wants to see. Remember, in PTE speaking, you don't need advanced vocabulary. You need continuous speech, clear structure, and most importantly, controlled pace. Stage 3 represents how you should sound in read aloud, describe image, retell lecture, summarize group discussion, and respond to a situation. Because all these tasks punish long pauses, broken rhythm, and hesitation. If you train jam regularly, your mouth learns to keep on moving, even when your brain feels pressure. You only need 10 minutes a day. 1 minute, speak. 1 minute, notes. 1 minute, speak again. Repeat with another topic if you want. And that's enough. Consistency matters more than duration. Remember this: fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about not stopping. If you can keep speaking, PTE will reward you. Practice jam daily, train your fluency, and speak like PTE expects you to speak. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next amazing content. If you need help preparing for your PTE academic test or PTE core, you can contact us in Bangladesh or in Australia. Our numbers are 018899 in Bangladesh and 0456 446 963 in Australia. You can also email us at info@acept.com.au. Best of luck with your PT preparation.